Alrighty, SRI. This is one of your 363 spawn block Fords. Description's combination has a set of our As Cast cylinder heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Front sump oil pan, Innovators West Stampner. And we just got a manifold on there to run it in there for you. Going to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3600. It is 419 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 460. Peak horsepower 509. Rate of 500. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here. Receive your engine. Find the signal. Looks like credit cards, USB cards, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. Engine number, some other specs. Anything from us, the engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code there. Take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.